We'll guide you through how to import 3D models in Blender. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Blender, and I want to go and import a 3D model. So to go and get started, you need to go and have a 3D model you want to do this with. If you haven't already got one, you can go and head to a site like Sketchfab, and there are others out there as well where you can go and download models from. Let's say I want to go and download this one. I'll go to the top right and press the download 3D model button. Now we can go and choose a download. A great format to use is FBX, as Blender goes and supports that one, so we'll go and press download. Now you can go and wait. After you've downloaded it, open up your file explorer and you can come to your downloads. Here it is here. We can then go and drag it onto our desktop like so. You want to go and right click on it, as we do need to go and extract it. Press extract all and press extract and wait. Open up Blender, go to the top left and press File, hover over Import FBX. So we can go and click on it. Now we need to go and locate it. We put it on our desktop. So come into the folder, then come into Source, and here it is. Select it and press Import and wait. And here it is. If you found this useful, then leave a like.